Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel, and here's a headline from you today. Major RippleNet partner obtains Bank of Thailand approval, and according to this article, XRP is being pitched to their central bank, which is fascinating. And so there's actually a video clip that's being circulated now, thanks to my fellow XRP YouTuber Crypto Eddie. And it's not in English, so I can only glean so much. But XRP is being shown in effectively payment flows, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So it's interesting stuff because, like, XRP, it's going to move money around the entire planet, like all of the world's money, right? Well, in terms of cross-border payments. And maybe Swift never completely dies. Maybe it does. I'm not 100% sure, but it doesn't need to completely die for XRP to have tremendous success being positioned as a bridge currency. And if it finds success there, really, frankly, as long as XRP has utility in perpetuity, at least for one use case, it's never going away. Because you understand, if you're talking about it solving an actual problem, that's utility. Utility means value. If something's valuable, then it doesn't go to zero. In fact, as more people jump in, it'll just be, you think about the multiplier effect as more money pours into the space. And then there was also this article I want to run through from you today. Ripple partner SoftBank leads $800 million funding round for XRP-friendly Revolut, which is a digital bank. But they're very pro-XRP despite what's happening with the SEC going after Ripple. And I've never used Revolut, but you can buy and sell XRP still, and they just got a boatload of money, and they're XRP friendly. Don't mind that one little baby boo bit. But I do want to clear at the outset, I don't have a financial background of any kind. I am not offering financial advice, and you should not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. I'm just an enthusiast who likes making YouTube videos as a very fun hobby about Ripple and XRP and crypto. That's all that's going on here, damn it. And so, so we're talking about CM Commercial Bank, which is the largest, at least one of the largest private banks in Southeast Asia. And so we've known that there's been a partnership for some time. In fact, I just pulled this up. This is an article. It's a blog. It's from Ripple's Insights, which is their blog series. It's from March 26th of last year, 2020. Titled "CM Commercial Bank Drives Innovation and Customer Growth with Help from Ripple." And it's interesting. I'm not going to run through the article. I just kind of wanted to highlight this to get the table set properly here. But there's a gentleman here with CM Commercial Bank, or SCB for short, and he was talking about how one of the things that they're doing, it's actually really freaking cool, because I mean, like right now, if you want to spend money in a different country, you need to convert it, right? Well, this is a really neat idea. What you can do is, like, say you're a tourist in Thailand. You can go to Thailand and not have any of the local currency, which I believe is the Thai baht. And you could just go up to a vendor and then you use your banking app from your home country. And all you have to do is scan a QR code. And then when you make the payment, it just automatically converts at the moment that the transaction needs to happen. So it's not that you convert so that you can use the money wherever you want to use it. It's that you're paying right here and the conversion happens immediately, which is pretty incredible. Like, without this technology, not possible. And so it is Ripple technology that's powering that. That's Ripple technology is what's making that possible here. And so into this piece is the one titled "Major RippleNet Partner Obtains Bank of Thailand Approval." One of the largest private banks in Southeast Asia, CM Commercial Bank, has obtained a license for its operations with RippleNet digital payments processor. According to information shared by XRP community activist Crypto Eddie, Thailand-headquartered CM Commercial Bank now has all of its operations authorized by Bank of Thailand. Now, I'm going to assume that most of you are familiar with Crypto Eddie at this point. But frankly, amongst all XRP YouTubers, like, there's a lot of crossover anyway. But if you're one of the few people that has not yet checked out Crypto Eddie, I want to ask, functionally, what is wrong with you? No, seriously, if you check out her channel, you will not regret it. She's fantastic in what she covers, and the way she represents it, and the level of research that she does is rather impressive, and she has all sorts of fun interviews. So anyway, if you're one of the few people that actually hasn't figured out that she is awesome yet and that she has a YouTube channel, I encourage you to jump on over there. But anyway, as such, it can leave the sandbox. with the full range of instruments, including including a RippleNet fueled digital payments module. And so here's the tweet from Crypto Eddie: CM commercial, bank infomercial, and she ended up sharing a little clip. SCB Easy App Money Transfer with RippleNet. Bank of Thailand authorized the service to leave the sandbox, so you can be confident. 12 countries: United States dollar, GBP, the euro, and a Singapore dollar. Fastest in England to Singapore in 30 seconds, and does a live demo. And the live demo, that's one of the most interesting parts of this, which I'll get to in just a second here, because that's where XRP is included. But anyway, its money transfer application allows users to transfer funds between 12 countries and the US dollar, so on and so forth, like I just cited. And RippleNet by Payment Decacorn Ripple is among the small cohort of blockchain-based payment solutions adopted by large-scale enterprises across the globe. And then they have this subheading: XRP pitched to the Bank of Thailand. My friends, that is indeed a central bank. Most frequently, RippleNet is utilized by banks to establish reliable, fast, and cost-efficient cross-border money corridors for individuals and businesses. Additionally, Crypto Eddie shared a screenshot of an SCB presentation designed to display its functionality to central bank officials. Well, how about that? And that's what's on your screen right now. And Crypto Eddie wrote, "Notice XRP in the graphic for the Bank of Thailand." And so maybe this is just a demo for what it might look like, but you can see they've got these little shapes here with some overlapping lines indicating that this is some sort of money flow with the dollar and the euro and XRP, and specifically with the Central Bank of Thailand. Interesting. So look, but like I keep saying, like, if you're wondering, like, is XRP going to be adopted for this use case, yes or no, just in general? Well, first of all, it already has. It's being used in enterprise-grade software today, but if you're talking about on a much larger scale than it is today, if the answer is that it's the best solution for settlement for cross-border payments, I think unquestionably the answer must be yes. If there is no better solution, and this is tenfold better than what this legacy financial system offers, then yes. Now, if something comes out of left field or changes that we couldn't foresee, okay, then we got a problem maybe. But right now, I'm not seeing anything like that, and so I'll continue to be bullish on XRP for this specific use case as long as that's what's going on right here. And that's the reason. Like, I have zero fear in holding my XRP. I really don't. Like, I have zero fear about this. Except for, well, maybe that's not quite precise enough. Maybe I should reserve like a 0.1% of fear, just in case like regulators of the United States completely wreck things for us here in the United States. But even then, XRP, it's not going away. People are using it the world over here. So then they just cited here, XRP token is demonstrated here as one of the elements of a multi-currency payments ecosystem alongside the US dollar and euro. Now into this piece from you today. Ripple partner SoftBank leads $800 million funding round for XRP-friendly Revolut digital bank. Tell you what, I don't mind seeing this in the least. SoftBank, which owns the Ripple-supported MoneyTap payment app in Japan, along with Tiger Global US-based hedge fund, has helped UK-based Revolut digital bank to raise a whopping $800 million in a recent funding round. And by the way, I want to mention this too. As far as the MoneyTap payment app, it has been announced that it will be utilizing XRP specifically. So there you go. Like XRP, it's actually functionally being adopted. It is happening here. And so then you see them, and then you get this $800 million funding round. Again, they call themselves a digital bank. You can buy and sell XRP there, and they continue to be very supportive of that ecosystem. So anyway, according to a CNBC article, the British fintech startup has raised $800 million and is now valued at $33 billion. That is 6 times higher than its valuation by investors last year when it was $5.5 billion. And so this year, fintech firms are trending, having raised $33.7 billion in the second quarter of this year. The Revolut app offers services in the sphere of banking and trading. This funding round has turned the company into the second biggest unicorn among fintech firms in Europe. Now think about that. And they continue to support XRP. I'm just saying it. Can I just say it a few times? I love hearing it. Now, the first one is Klarna. As for the UK, where Revolut is based, the raised $800 million has made it the first biggest fintech here, pushing it ahead of the Checkout.com payment company. And then they have this subheading. Revolut holds $742 million in crypto assets keeps supporting XRP. The largest UK fintech unicorn also works with cryptocurrencies, and as reported by You Today, it holds an astounding $742 million worth of crypto, including XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. And so despite, again, what is happening with the SEC going after Ripple, they don't give a damn. And frankly, though, it's a train wreck here in the United States where I live in terms of buying and selling XRP for now. But there is going to be clarity in the future. And I believe that it's going to be to the positive for XRP specifically. And I firmly believe that XRP will be reinstated on the exchanges that halted or delisted it. And then we'll all just be happy again. It'll be fantastic. And then we don't have to talk about the asshats at the SEC anymore. But I don't know when that's going to happen. I'm hoping that we're still going to see a settlement at some point this calendar year. But if not, if there's full adjudication, this thing could drag into next year. Hey, whenever it happens, it happens. I'm just thankful we at least have a few exchanges here in the United States where we can buy and sell XRP. Because if there weren't at least those few, I would be much more nervous. Because we in the United States, because I think the bull run's going to happen no matter what, but we in the United States could potentially miss that opportunity if not for just a few organizations. Think about this, just a few organizations on the entire planet that allow trading of XRP in the United States. We could be totally screwed. So anyway, I'll go ahead and wrap up there, though. I am not a financial advisor. You should not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Nambo.